Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to keep Slack active on your desktop. Right now, you can see I'm not active on Slack, or you can say I'm deactive on my Slack account. For this, make sure you have set yourself as active. Click on this and you will see a green dot has appeared on my profile picture. So the first thing is, make sure your status on Slack is active. The another reason of disappearing from Slack is when we close a window, we just click here quit Slack, or just click Ctrl plus Q for quitting, or simply we just click on this cross icon. For this, the Slack app is not running anymore on your desktop background, so we just need to minimize window. If you minimize the Slack window, that means the Slack is running on background of your desktop. That means your status is remain active on Slack and you won't disappear from Slack. So that's the simple way. That's how you can keep active on Slack. Make sure that your PC is not going through a heavy load. It causes you to crash the Slack app from your background. To check the Slack is running or not, you can just simply click on the arrow button here, and you can see the Slack icon is appeared in this section. That means the Slack app is running on the background of my desktop. That's how you can keep your Slack app active on your desktop. If you found this video helpful, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching this video. Till the next time.